Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the track spacer on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new track spacer for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. To gain access to the track, we will first need to remove these shelves. Tilt the front up and then lift and pull out to remove. Next, pry the cover away from the upper screw on the track. This may require some force. Then, using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the 2 screws holding the track in place. Carefully pull the track away from the slot, being careful as the spacers are loosely connected. Then, slide the spacers off the track. If you need to purchase a new track spacer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the spacers to the track with the arrows facing the center and slide them into place. Align the track to the retaining slots on the back of the refrigerator compartment and press into place. Then, reinstall the 2 screws. Align the tabs on the screw cover to the retaining slots on the air tower and press until it snaps back into place. Align the tabs on the back of the shelves with the notches in the tracks. Insert and set into place. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave us a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.